Good morning, everyone. This is Mindset Coach Laudiaann, and in this video, I just want to do a really quick update of my vidIQ. I have been monitoring my YouTube channel, and I'm always every 2 weeks. I'm always giving you guys my updates. Okay, so I'm gonna go take you to my vidIQ here, and I'm gonna take you to my achievements. I think I'm still at the 30,000 views right now. I think by the 5th, it says here by the 5th of November, I will actually meet 40,000. So that's really exciting. I have over 200 videos uploaded. All right, and I am growing. I have 1,000 watch hours here. 1,000 hours watched. I have like 1,300 something subscribers already. I have uploaded 69 videos in October. Now it's now it is in November. So I have 612.9 hours watched. Okay, and let me go back up here. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here so that you can see actually the I am going up in my numbers with my watch time hours. You look right there, see this yellow right here? I have 531 hours watched. Okay, I'm almost 1,000. All right, I need 4,000. And I'm going to get there very fast, very quick, because this right here is only probably 2.5 months. I've accumulated 531 hours. Now you can also this is also located in your, I'm gonna go ahead and go there. Go to your manage video, and while it's uploading, I'm actually by the desktop that my husband uses. He uses this computer. I actually bought it for me, but it's actually his now because he's always using it for school. I'm gonna move this screen over to here. So you're gonna go here. You're gonna hit the monetization. So you're gonna click on that, and it will actually share with you where you are. Okay, so here I am. Scroll down here. I have 1,320 subscribers already. So, and then I have 531 public watch hours. And it's 4,000 required hours, and it really does take work to get there. But if you're consistent, you'll get there as soon as possible. Make sure you guys are creating videos every day, because by the time you get monetized, you have all those videos, and all those videos are going to have ads on them, and people are going to be clicking on them, and you're going to make money. I mean, tons of money. Okay, and YouTube really makes you work hard just to get this 4,000 watch time hours, but you can get there sooner, and pretty soon I'll be in the 600s. Probably by the end of the month, I'll probably be close to 8 something. That's what I predict. Okay, I'm not sure, but I'll be probably like 800 hours. And then in December, I probably will meet my 1,000 hours. So it's gonna be really quick, guys, because I've only been in this program for, let's say, only a month or a month and a half, something like that. I think I just started a month and a half ago. 2 months ago, I started with Wesley ordering the overnight millionaire system, and then I think I waited another 3 or 4 weeks before I actually joined the Done For You services. And then when I joined the Done For You services, I think 2 or 3 weeks later, this YouTube monetization program was introduced. And so I got on it, I caught on it, and I'm one of the first groups, and I'm actually really excited about this, you know, because this is going to be one of my multi-streams of income, and I'm happy. All right, I'm really happy. I'm living a lifestyle that's so different now. I'm thinking differently, and every day I say positive affirmation, no matter what. If something negative come to me, you know, in my mind, I just right away, I just say, I pop on the earphone. I'll actually listen to something real quick about positive affirmations, because that really snaps you out of your whatever you're feeling. You don't want to get that in your, you don't want the bad frequency, you want the high frequency all the time in your way of thinking. Okay. All right, and that has helped me out a lot to really focus on my goals, and so I'm asking my God favor that he allows me to be more creative. So I'm being more creative every day. I actually am creative every day. I am creative every day. I have something new, brand new every day, and I say this to myself all the time. All right, guys, I will talk to you guys soon, but this is my updates, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm actually going to a orientation meeting at my work, my job that I work for part-time. I don't know how long I'm going to be working there for part-time, but in the time being, you know, I'm just going to be there. I work there twice a week. I do still have a passion, you know, taking care of patients. So I will be working in a subacute unit twice a week or maybe once a week. It doesn't matter. I'm just part-time. But today is a general orientation, so it's 8 to 4 today, and I gotta go there in the next few hours. I can't participate in this morning's group, but maybe later on I will, or maybe tomorrow morning. All right, guys. You guys have a blessed day. Talk to you soon, and take care. Okay, take care of your business. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification button so that you get fresh videos from me every day. Bye for now.